The conventional function utilizes both the top and bottom heating elements. As the fan is not used, natural conduction of heat means the oven is much hotter at the top than the bottom. Ensure the correct function and temperature are selected. The conventional function is perfect for roasting meat as it ensures even cooking and browning of the dish. Because it is hotter at the top than the bottom, the conventional function creates different heat zones within the oven. This gives you the flexibility to cook multiple dishes which benefit from different temperatures.